let's do this. Here it is. This is going to be 2012 Bowman Sterling. It's the final box. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. 10:59 Eastern Standard Time. Turning this just into a S show. Here it is. Let's go ahead and I can't wait. We got Burgett, new on the site, brand new on the site. And he's like, hey man, he popped in the breaks and he's like, Brian, this is my first time here. Everybody's like, yo, what's up, Burgett? I'm calling him Burger. And anyway, he's here on the site. This is my first night. And we have gotten shorted almost every single box. So let's see if we can turn it around. If not, what can you do? Let's really, I mean, it's, here we go. We're looking for a Taylor Thompson Super Refractor. You know, it'd be good if we just actually got shorted packs now at this point. Which I shouldn't joke around about that because things have happened before. So anyway, we're going to mix things up. We're going to start with this thing. Nope, there we go. We are on track. Brian Quick, 21 out of 60. This is our third Brian Quick box topper out of the case. So, all right, that's going to those Rams. All right. Chandler Jones, Kevin Zeitler, Jeff Demps, 9 out of 25, and keep it alive, another Brian Quick. And why not another Cyrus Gray? Terrence Ganaway, Whitney Marcellus, Devon Still, 13 out of 25. Michael Agnew, 10 out of 65. Cyrus Gray, hot case. Oh, man. You got to get him in there. You have to. Taylor Thompson. T.Y. Hilton. All right, Kevin Zeitler and David DeCastro. There he is, 26.99, and a Joe Adams, and that is 18 out of 47. Patch. Vic Ballard, Dwayne Allen, Nick Toon, and a Vic Ballard auto. So they gave us both of the patch autos. And then here's the thinnest pack you'll ever see. Gordy Glenn. And a Prism Refractor, dual autograph, dual relic of Vic Ballard and DeVere Posey. And TJ Graham. I'm going to put together the statistics for this box. I'm so compelled to do this. For the case, actually.